Greetings, this is Earthman of earthmansoil.com. May God bless you this day. I'm hoping your day is going wonderful. You and your family are well. Happy New Year's. And I'm following up on a new experiment that I did. I had some leaves. I put some microbes on it, two of them, and then I left one without microbes. Okay, so 3 days later after I applied, I sprayed the leaves down with some water and mixed with a little brown sugar or molasses, and I applied the microbes and put them in a cool place, but I didn't cover them, and they dried out. And so for the first 3 or 4 days, my microbes died on the root love, and you know, these leaves just dried out because I didn't put no microbes on them, and they kind of dried out here too on the Grovana OS. So what I did is I sprayed them down again, and I reapplied root love over here a few days ago and left this alone, but I kept it moist. And then I just moistened this and just put a little more Grovana, but it didn't really need it. And voila, as you can see, we do have microbial action on Grovana OS. And nothing over here on the leaves with nothing. And root love, yes, you can see some microbial action, but there's not been enough time for that to happen. Now, the reason why Grovana OS is ahead of the game here is because there was a lot of moisture in the IMO fashioned application of this product. I do my Grovana OS in an IMO 3 fashion, so it's wheat bran that's been inoculated with all my microbes and biostimulants and stuff, and so they retained moisture and was able to keep the microbes alive. And as soon as I applied moisture and then I covered them all up with plastic, I had big time growth here really quick. And normally that would be the case over here, but hasn't had as much time as the Grovana OS because of the moisture in the wheat bran. But as you can see, there is microbial, here, sorry about that, happening. There's stuff happening. These leaves also feel really frail and stuff. And the reason why they're black, kind of blackish color, is because I have humic and fulvic acid in the mix of root love, and that kind of makes the leaves a little darker. And but yeah, you definitely see an action over here. You have to take my word. These leaves are real fragile, and there's little spots that are starting to grow microbial action. So there you go. This is what you want, guys. If you want to grow organically, guys, if you're an organic grower, you have to have living soil. You have to have rich nutrients in your soil, lots and lots and lots of minerals, and there's other stuff you could put in there. And then you need something that's going to break it down and feed it to your plant, make it plant ready. And there's so much more that microbes do. And if you're using liquid organic fertilizers to compensate for your dead soil, that's all fine and dandy, and that's what a lot of organic farmers do, believe it or not. They don't develop living soil. It's a lot of work, blah, 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 and they rather pour a lot of money into literally liquid organic fertilizers, and your plants aren't going to grow as good and filled with nutrients and antioxidants as grown in mineral-rich soil that has life in it, that breaks it down and makes it plant available. There's so many minerals that they're missing out in those liquid fertilizers compared to using microbes and in your soil to break down all those wonderful minerals that are in there, the sulfur, the magnesium, the boron, the silica, just so much, guys. And so this is what you want. Some organic farmers, or they just have dead soil, or growers, or whatever you want to say. But if you have, this is your focus. If you're watching this video and you are fascinated with living soil, you have found the right place. Earthman Soil we have the best microbes. I would say majority of my business is repeat business. People that buy my stuff once and then try it, and they just can't. They just find out that this is the best on the market. There's no microbes better. And the biostimulants to assist in nutrient uptake and health, plant health, is second to none. So I'm gonna end this video. If you go to my website and check out what we have, now's the time to do it. You buy 2 products of at Earthman Soil, and you get a free full pack of Grovana OS, or no, not Grovana OS, but Root Love Science, and a very popular product of mine. And so, you know, I hope, hope soon that you would check us out. Do your homework and compare us to other microbial products on the market, and you'll see that there's nothing even close. And may God bless you and your family. And remember, this is what you want in your soil. May God bless you.